What's up guys? If you guys like fishing or eating fresh seafood, you definitely press play on the right video. My name is Jonathan Saltados, aka Salty, host right here on the Salty Sportsman YouTube channel. If you haven't done so already and you like fishing, please consider subscribing.
This is the start of a great morning with my 6-time world record holder, Joanne.
Oh yeah, woohoo! Joanne in the house.
All right, bait stop.
Make sure to get it through that skin there so it stays on there good. Want to give it a nice pitch out. Joanne taught me that trick right there. There you go, Max. Yeah, I got one, baby. That's what we're talking about. Right there, man. Hey, that's what we're looking for. Come on, there, brother. There it is, man. Yeah. 2 at once. That is yeah. You don't know nothing about that. You think you're in the Coast Guard or something, or what?
Giant. Yeah, baby.
Giant. Looks like a grouper.
Yeah, there you go, Cap. What you got?
Grouper.
Captain Anthony on.
Little grouper.
Little grouper, eh?
Grouper sandwiches.
Folks, a little grouper to this guy may be a 20-pounder.
Yeah.
If you struggle with a fish like this, you get to wear the schlicker skirt.
This is the freshest fish you're ever going to find in Florida. It doesn't come on a long line boat, doesn't go through a supermarket, doesn't sit in a boat for 3 weeks. You're gonna get this fish the day after it's caught, maybe 2 days, but that's as good as it gets.
Decent ones in here.
What an amazing experience that was out on the water with Captain Anthony's Seafood Market. If you're into fresh seafood and you want it delivered straight to your front door, I'm not trying to be silly here, but you're going to want to contact Captain Anthony's Seafood Market. I'm going to put their website right here. I'm going to put their phone number right here to contact them directly. Or if you're looking for the experience and to bring your own fresh fish home, you're going to want to reach out to them too, because they offer that as well. Now I'm going to share with you guys a little highlight episode of going through Captain Anthony's Seafood Market itself.
Who's the scamp champ now?
Thank you guys so much again for tuning in. If you guys love fishing as much as I do, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell notification so you guys get notified every time I post a brand new video, and I'll see you next time.